You know, so, you know, but it is what it is, man. Life is life. You gotta, I ain't saying it's gambling, because it is not, like you saying, you do your research, but, you know, the stock market, real estate, all that stuff is tied into each other. Because when I'm down, I call you, and the rates up, G.
It's the same.
Hey, so I'm on the other side of the stock market, I'm like, G, man, the down is down 500 points. You know, so your money fluctuate with the economy. So, you know, but if you got enough in there, I lost 10. Shoot, I done lost 100K, but it is what it is. You just gotta know what to do. Like, you gotta maneuver. And I think these companies, the internet companies like Nvidia, there's a company called Nvidia, and there's a company called Broadcom. Man, those companies, I ain't never seen the numbers, nothing like that in my life, man. They went from $300 last year. I should have played it out. I didn't know. But Nvidia, if y'all go look at it, go do your research on the company. Last year in November, they was at $300 a share. They had $900 a share right now. They a chip manufacturer out of California. It is a company called Broadcom. Broadcom was like $600, $1,200, $1,300 right now. So imagine if you stuck $500. You probably have about $10,000 to $15,000. We talking about $500.
Yeah.
So, you know, and they got Bitcoin and Ethereum coin, all those different coins. You just gotta really play to, you know, your ear to the street. So, you know, that stuff is real, man. People are making millions, but you know, you also gotta just do your research. You gotta do your research. You know, and you gotta have a little money, you know, 500, 1,000 to gamble to see if it's real. So,
man, I still got some money in crypto.
Mm-hmm.
I took a
$200,000 haircut in crypto, man.
Yikes.
But the thing is, that sucks about it, bro, I had won. When I say I had won, I had made a nice bag in crypto.
You gotta take your profits.
I did. So I
take profits.
The thing was, I took my profits, right? The only one I kind of lost on was V-Chain. But when I look at what I made on ADA, because I got like Cardano for like 30, 40, 50 cents. I sold it like 270, 280.
Jeez.
And I had 100 bands in there. So I made a grip on that one.
Yeah.
So I was up. But I had all my money on the Voyager platform.
Voyager, I got
so Voyager, they went bankrupt.
Yeah.
And they held the money out of it. So I had took all the money out of the coins and put it in like the USDC account.
Okay.
Because I put it in there because it was supposed to give me 9% interest.
Don't they insure it up to $200,000?
That's what they say on the thing, but they don't. I was like, that's why I said, let me put this money in here.
Yeah.
It's FDIC insured.
Yeah.
I'm reading the FDIC insured. I'm thinking my money's insured.
Yeah.
And I'm saying, okay, I'm gonna got 200,000 here. That ain't bad. I just got money parked.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
So 280K just in that account, just getting
forget all that interest.
I just forget about it.
Yeah.
Because I knew, you know, it was a bear market coming. And when I sold, what made me got kind of weary, I had some Dogecoin and Elon Musk was going on Saturday Night Live. And at the time, Doge was up. But it was something in my spirit that was like, get out of this.
Go ahead and get that.
Because I was like, anytime one man can make, that's a bad shot with this pole. Anytime one man can make, you know, say something and make a whole.
He can make the whole thing shift.
A whole thing shift. It made me nervous. So I sold, I'm glad I did because it ended up going down. And then I started liquidating my coins. So I got almost 280 just in this account. I'm like, I'm good. I done sold.
Yeah.
I had probably like 1,000 here, 1,000 there, or whatever, spread out the other coins. And then Voyager filed bankruptcy.
Oh yeah, I remember that.
They filed bankruptcy.
Last year, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was last year. So it was before last year.
Oh shoot.
So it was in 2022. So they filed bankruptcy, and then they were supposed to get bought out. And then that didn't happen. And then another company came in. They could have probably gave everybody back 70% when it first happened, but whatever happened, man. But at the end of the day, I was salty because
of that hit.
Because I sold at the right time. I didn't know the platform was gonna let me down.
Oh,
because I sold it. Imagine you got stock and you sell your stock, and your stock just sitting in an account supposed to be earning regular interest.
I don't.
But that account holder files bankruptcy.
Oh man, that's crazy.
And you done made all the right decisions.
Oh yeah.
Because with crypto, it's different than stocks. With crypto, you can go to bed up and wake up down.
That is true.
It's always on. With stocks, you know, there's a cutoff time.
Well, from what I've seen, I follow. I know it's probably gonna sound crazy because I'm kind of still I'm in youth, but I follow Warren Buffett.
Yeah.
If he couldn't understand it, if he couldn't understand what that was going on, I watch this man. I'm listening to everything he's saying. I'm on like at 8 o'clock in the morning, right before the Dow come on, before they come on at 9:30. That's when the market hit. So I'm listening to what he's saying. He said he don't understand it. And the guy that just passed at one of his mentors, he just passed. I think he was 99 years old. His name was Mongler or something like that. I can't remember his name, but he couldn't understand it. And I was like, you know what? Stocks is really is an old-fashioned way.
Yeah.
Crypto is the new currency coming in. So I just stayed with the old currency because our old currency is backed by gold. You know, now even we can't see it, but it's back. Our currency is backed by gold. We got gold. So that's what our paper is printed off of, is the fact that we have so much gold. So in my head, I was like, you know, crypto is coming, and it's gonna be a lot of people to get rich. But I just stuck to my old ways, stuck to my guns, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna ride this internet, because everything that's internet is not going on Apple, Microsoft, Google, Netflix. If y'all got some Netflix stock, I'll bet you doing good. Because we on Netflix every day. We don't even watch TV no more.
Nope.
And then if you got YouTube TV, you know, so we ain't even doing direct TV no more.
Exactly.
So, you know, but I'm old school. I stuck with my guns. I listen to a lot of old research, you know, with when you in the stocks. I listen to them folks, like, they'll tell you what's gonna happen. Like Chipotle. Yeah. I didn't know Chipotle was doing it. Go look at Chipotle stock. Chipotle. You know, I don't even eat that, but
up.
Man, go look at it.
Well, they open them everywhere, man.
Just think about it. If you got, just say you got 100K. Just say you got 50K or 10K. If you stick $10,000 in a company that's coming up, right? Like a FedEx or a new company, because most of these companies that's coming on Wall Street, they might be a brand new company, right? So when they start up, I watched the company go from $100 to $300 in 2 days. So imagine you stuck $10,000 in there. It go from 100 to 300. You got 30K in 3 days. So you just gotta know, like, and you gotta plan. Like the day traders and the people that's out there making the real money, they got the insight on what's going on. Like, okay, this new company is coming out. Like, I didn't know the video was gonna do that. I didn't know. I seen them. I was like, okay, this company $300, $400. Just go look at the video. When you look at them, $300 a share to $900 to $1,000 in 6 months. That's insane. And then you got Broadcom. It's another chip manufacturer, because everything going to AI. AI is going to be the world. Like it's not here now, but it's slowly. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like Facebook. If you got some Facebook stock, we on Facebook every day. We on Instagram. We on Twitter. We on YouTube. All that stuff is generated through AI. So if you ain't got no chips manufacturer, you ain't got no stock with the chip manufacturer, that's where it's going. Everything's going AI. Yeah. It's just going slow. Think about it when you look at your phone, it'll say AI. Or say if you go and you call a dealership now, you talking to somebody, they're gonna have to put you to the other person to talk to a real person. So sometimes when you call, you talking to somebody, that robot. So they gotta actually generate, and then it's okay, who do you want to call? You gotta hit the button, then they'll send you to the service department. So everything going AI, you know, and it's gonna enhance, our stuff. I believe, I think it's gonna enhance the way of living. I don't know how much, but there's gonna be a lot of people without jobs too. So you just gotta get on that wave, like get on that wave and get in front of it before it hits you and slap you in the face. So,
Fact.